Kung ikaw ay nag-work sa corporate for so many years, nag-retire ka na, pagkatapos nag-iisip ka if you can still learn work from home job from scratch, you think that age could be a great factor for you to be a freelancer, then watch this video. I have been getting a lot of questions about does age play a factor nga ba kapag mag-work as a freelancer? Because sa corporate world, yes, it does. However, sa freelancing, keep in mind na hindi masyadong tinitingnan yung edad. However, since ang ginagawa mo sa corporate work is more on administrative, you really have to think about, do you really want this? Kasi many retirees, they wanna get work from home jobs just because they're bored, or they wanna make sure na may ginagawa pa din sila during their spare time. And nasanay sila na nag-work sila for 8 hours per day, nagta-travel sila for a few hours, so they have this parang regular activity. As a freelancer kasi, walang ganon. Ikaw ang magsiset ng sarili mong oras. Ang pinakamalaking challenge niyo ng mga papasok sa freelancing is you really have to think about the service that you're going to offer. How does your proposed service stack up against what's already in the marketplace? Unique value proposition. You really have to parang dig deep and find something na alam mo na magagamit ng mga negosyante sa mga businesses nila. Kaya may iba-ibang niche na tinatawag, and yun yung kailangan mong i-figure out. Pero kung wala ka pa naman talagang alam sa mga niche, sa mga industry and all that, wag mo rin i-overthink. The very first thing that you just need to learn is ano nga ba yung service na i-offer mo? Administrative, creative, tech, support, or sales. And kapag na-figure out mo na kung ano yung service na i-offer mo, do your due diligence, mag-research ka, paano nga bang matutong mag-offer ng administrative support sa mga businesses online, ano yung mga websites na kailangan mong applyan and all that. If hindi mo pa alam kung paano mong gagawin yon, pwede ka pumunta sa link sa bio ko. May mga free resources tayo doon na pwede mong sundan. And you can also check yung ating nasa Facebook. So, pag pumunta kayo sa Facebook page ko, dito, hanapin nyo na lang sa Facebook. Tapos, makikita nyo dito, start here. I-click nyo lang yan, yung see more. Pagkatapos, may full guide na dyan. So, lahat from saan pwedeng mag-apply and all that. Also, keep in mind, meron tayong, pag browse nyo lang, we have the broadcast channel. Sa broadcast channel natin, guys, nagpo-post din ako doon ng mga hiring. So, kung nagmamadali na kayo, gusto nyo na talaga makahanap ng work, punta na lang kayo doon and magsasend ako ng mga announcements kapag launching na ng website. Anyway, sana makatulong to. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home, follow from, or work from home chismis. Bye!